Hey, friends, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a fun Instagram story using the mini you add your sticker. If you're ready, let's get started. At the beginning, open your Google Play Store or App Store and check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. If you don't, click on Update and wait a few seconds for the app to update. If you do, click on Open. Now, click on the magnifying glass to open the search. In the search field, type Add Your Stickers. Choose the profile with the name Add Your Stickers by Estrita. Once you've done that, now in the highlights, find the story titled Taste One and click on it. Among these stories, find the one that says Mini You and click on the Add Yours option. Now, add your childhood picture. Great! Now you can see how it looks. It's really nice and cute. You can now share it with your friends on Instagram. If you liked this video, press like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. See you soon.